you all are good. Welcome back to forceGalaxy, and this video going to be short, and in this video we're going to overview on lightning experience. What is lightning experience in Salesforce? So welcome to lightning experience, and let's get started. When we are talking about the lightning experience, we are talking about the pages in Salesforce that are optimized for sales and service use. We are talking about the new features that helps your service and sales team to focus on the right customers, the right deal, the right activities every time the user logs in. We are talking about the flexible, the interactive tool that help to visualize your data and take care of your business. Now yes, the question comes in our mind, why lightning experience build, why lightning experience is there in Salesforce. So for a moment think about the actual lightning, the lightning we see during the storm. Now think about how fast it is, how fast it strikes, how beautiful it is, and how unique lightning bolt are there. No one is same. That's a lot look like lightning experience. It is fast, it is beautiful, and it is unique for each sales and service user. It's a simpler user experience designed to keep your sales team to sell faster with personalized emails or alert, with an interactive assistant to keep your sales rep more focused on what's more important. It is designed to help your service rep to support customer faster, bringing cases, knowledge, and support tools together in an efficient problem-solving environment. Now, what's make lightning experience so special? Number 1, efficient navigation and ability to switch between custom branded apps. Number 2, new record layouts which focused on what you can do instead of what you can view. Number 3, quick access to the productivity tools like notes, recent items in the utility bar. Number 4, beautiful dashboard with components that span both columns and rows. Number 5, sleek reports view that you can filter quickly and see the data that's more important to you. Number 6, turbo change list view that you can filter and visualize your data. Till now we have discussed about why lightning experience is so special and why lightning experience is there. Now let's take a tour on lightning experience in reality. So let's go. The thing which I like about the lightning Salesforce lightning is its UI. Yes, it is much better than this Salesforce Classic. So now let's discuss about the Salesforce lightning benefits, or you can say we can compare them with the Salesforce Classic. So number 1, activity timeline. Lightning includes timeline which help user to keep track on their history of activities for each leads or account, but Classic does not. Number 2, workspace page layout. Lightning enables users to design new pages, from record pages to app pages to home pages, while Classic just offers one basic page layout. Number 3, home page features. Both the interfaces includes events, calendars, customizable dashboard, but only Lightning includes news, keys, deals, and a performance chart on the home page. So this is the little overview on Lightning experience. What is Lightning experience in Salesforce? What are its benefits? In our upcoming video, we'll go through or cover up the Lightning components, the different events we are having in our Lightning. So till then, take care, goodbye, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.